Different about my program for this year is not really that much, to be honest. I just think we just mixed, and during our training camp, we just mixed it up a little bit and had a different, I should say, a different layout, and that just made me absorb it really well. Other than that, pretty much been the same, and just lots of training, lots of endurance, lots of strength, and because I feel like in the last couple of years, that's really been what's been working for me.
Well, my program for this year was basically the same. I follow Aldon's Baker schedule and boot camp program, and we've been in Florida the whole November and December getting ready for the new season. I was able to do off-season races, 4 of them, so exactly the same as last year. So I actually knew what to expect, and I feel ready for the new season. Yeah, the bike is a lot different than last year, and I'm really happy with what KTM in Austria they've done. So much work they put on, and it feels a lot different with the new shape of plastics and the tank, the frame, the engine's lighter. It's a lot of fun to have a new bike like that, and looking forward to race it.
Lots of things. A little bit different training. Obviously, a new blue motorcycle with a factory Yamaha Knich monster team, and yeah, it's been great. I've changed a lot in my life. I've been living out in California for 2 months now, so it's there's a lot of new stuff.
Obviously this year it's all new deal here over at JGR, factory Suzuki supported thing. So that part of it, the team, everything's new over here inside. But from my side point, it's just pretty much not much difference over here. Just different, just training, a lot harder training. I had more of an off season this year of training since we got our new bikes a little bit earlier this year. So had more time on the bike, so I was able to put a lot more focus into riding this year. So that was probably the biggest thing to come. Yeah, obviously it's a brand new bike. Suzuki came out with their brand new RMZ 450 this year, and it's completely different. Brand new frame, chassis, everything from top to bottom, and it's been it's been a whole different bike. So it took us about a month to finally start to get clicking with it and get comfortable and find the settings that we needed to find, and now it's just been smooth sailing from now.
What's different about my program for 2018? Really not much different than the last couple of years. Fortunately for me, I've been able to get prepared for this race. In the years past, I haven't had time to really get ready, just due to injuries or surgeries or something like that. But nothing's really changed, just besides changing more diapers and being more involved at home.
What's different for me, there's quite a bit. We got a brand new YZ 450 this year, all new, everything completely rebuilt, restructured. So that's a pretty big deal, new bike, so we've had a busy off-season getting that thing ready, and then same trainer for me, but we just kind of switched the training plan this year. I got injured as well, so I didn't start riding until the beginning of November, so we had to adjust the plan there a little bit, but other than that, just the mentality. I think I'm a little more focused this year and know what to expect instead of being a rookie like last year, so. But other than that, everything's pretty much the same. Got a new race mechanic, actually, Grant. And, other than that, pretty similar.
Well, compared to last year, everything's different. Different bike, doing it on my own. Working with a bunch of new companies. So, yeah, everything.